Are you a noodle person like me? Then you need to try kalguksu. Kal means knife and guksu means noodles. So it's basically fresh hand-cut noodles in delicious hearty chicken soup. If you don't have time or energy to make noodles, you can just buy kalguksu noodles, which makes this recipe easy. You can use regular chicken, but I really like using Cornish hen. Remove fats, fatty skins, and giblets and wash thoroughly. Add water, onion, garlic, green onions, and bring to boil. Reduce heat to low and let it simmer for 40 minutes. Cut potatoes, onions, and zucchini and make seasoning sauce with soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, chili peppers, green onions, and gochugaru. Cook eggs and let it cool. Then julienne for garnish. Cut seaweed for garnish. You can also do it in a mean way if you're angry. Remove everything from the broth or strain the broth. Once chicken's cooled, prepare the meat. I added 2 cups of water here. Bring to boil. Add garlic, black pepper, and fish sauce. Add potatoes and onions and boil for 5 minutes. Then add noodles. You can either just add zucchini at the end or cook in a strainer like this to put it on top. Cook noodles for about 4 minutes or just slightly undercooked. Serve in a bowl and top with chicken, zucchini, eggs, green onions, red peppers, and seaweed. Here's how to make noodles if you want to try it. Make the dough by mixing flour, water, salt, and oil. It shouldn't be too sticky but soft with some resistance. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Knead again briefly and roll it out into 1/8 thickness. Sprinkle flour at the bottom and the top to prevent sticking. Fold twice, sprinkling flour in between. Cut it into thin strips, separate the noodles and sprinkle flour. And noodles are ready. 맛있게 먹어!
우리 매일 이렇게 먹어야 되는데 괜찮을까? 별로 안 좋아요.
감자.